Welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to teach you 30 essential English words with their meanings and example sentences. These words are perfect for daily use, interviews, and speaking practice. Watch till the end and try to use these words in your own sentences. Please subscribe if you are new to my channel. Admire. Meaning, to respect or look up to someone. Sentence, I really admire people who help others. Brave. Meaning, not afraid of danger. Sentence, the firefighter was very brave during the rescue. Calm. Meaning, relaxed and not worried. Sentence, she stayed calm during the exam. Delight. Meaning, great pleasure or joy. Sentence, the children shouted with delight when they saw the gifts. Eager. Meaning, very excited or interested. Sentence, he is eager to learn new things. Famous. Meaning, known by many people. Sentence, she is a famous artist in her country. Gentle. Meaning, kind and soft. Sentence, the mother spoke in a gentle voice. Habit. Meaning, something you do regularly. Sentence, drinking water in the morning is a good habit. Ignore. Meaning, to pay no attention. Sentence, don't ignore your health. Journey. Meaning, a trip from one place to another. Sentence, we had a long journey through the mountains. Kind. Meaning, friendly and helpful. Sentence, she is always kind to everyone. Lonely. Meaning, feeling alone. Sentence, he felt lonely in the new city. Mature. Meaning, fully grown or developed. Sentence, she is very mature for her age. Nervous. Meaning, worried or afraid. Sentence, I was nervous before the interview. Obey. Meaning, to follow rules or instructions. Sentence, you must obey the traffic laws. Patient. Meaning, able to wait calmly. Sentence, the teacher was patient with the students. Quick. Meaning, fast. Sentence, he gave a quick reply to the question. Relax. Meaning, to rest and be calm. Sentence, you should relax after a long day. Silent. Meaning, without sound. Sentence, the library was completely silent. Trust. Meaning, to believe someone is honest. Sentence, I trust my best friend with my secrets. Unique. Meaning, one of a kind. Sentence, her ideas are always unique and creative. Value. Meaning, importance or worth. Sentence, we should value our time and use it wisely. Wealth. Meaning, a large amount of money or resources. Sentence, true wealth is good health and happiness. Yield. Meaning, to give way or produce. Sentence, the farm yields a lot of vegetables every year. Zeal. Meaning, great energy or enthusiasm. Sentence, she worked with great zeal to complete the project. Achieve. Meaning, to successfully do something. Sentence, he worked hard to achieve his goals. Balance. Meaning, to keep things equal or steady. Sentence, it's important to balance work and rest. Courage. Meaning, bravery. Sentence, she showed great courage during the storm. Decide. Meaning, to choose something. Sentence, I can't decide which dress to wear. Encourage. Meaning, to give support or confidence. Sentence, parents should encourage their children to try new things.